Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into Prime Video. Use the account that holds your subscription because upgrades apply to that profile. Once signed in, make sure a valid payment method is on file. This prevents interruptions during checkout. Also locate your current plan and billing date so you understand prorations or next charge timing. Doing these first steps saves time and prevents surprises, and it lets you move straight to plan options without backtracking to update payment or re-authenticate. You navigate to Account and Settings, then choose Memberships or Manage Subscription. This is where plan controls live. Next, compare available plans by features. Look at simultaneous streams, resolution limits, and included channels, because those affect daily use. Once you pick a plan, pause to read the billing note for prorated charges versus immediate billing, since timing may charge part of the period now. Make your selection deliberately, because changes can alter monthly cost and content access right away. You complete the upgrade by reviewing the order summary and confirming the total, next billing date, and payment method. This final check prevents billing mistakes. After you confirm purchase, wait for the confirmation email or on-screen receipt and then verify plan features are active in your account. If something goes wrong, try simple fixes first. Clear browser cache, sign out and back in, or use another device. If problems persist, contact support and provide the order ID from the receipt for faster resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.